China EV Post is reporting that Tesla has started rolling out advanced driver assistance features in China, similar to its full self-driving system in the US, though without explicitly calling it FSD. A new software update, version 2024.45.32.12, enhances Tesla's autopilot to navigate off ramps and intersections based on set navigation routes. It can also recognize traffic lights and execute turns at intersections. The update introduces improved driver monitoring using the in-car camera above the rearview mirror to ensure the driver is paying attention. Tesla emphasizes that video data is processed entirely within the vehicle and is not accessible by anyone, including Tesla itself. While FSD is not officially available in China yet, Tesla allows owners to purchase it for around $8,820. Tesla also offers a lower-tier Enhanced Autopilot option at half the price. Reports suggest the China version of these features is more limited compared to the US due to differences in road and traffic data. Tesla says it will continue improving smart driving features in China based on further testing and optimizations. You are listening to Yuan News.